Crash Course on German History, an overview of the major events, figures, and movements that have shaped Germany's history, including the World Wars and the fall of the Berlin Wall. Certainly, I'd be happy to provide a crash course on German history. Introduction. Germany is a country with a long and complicated history, marked by a series of wars, invasions, and transformations. Its central location in Europe has made it a strategic target for many invading armies over the centuries. In addition, Germany has produced some of the world's most influential philosophers, musicians, and scientists, making it a country with a rich cultural heritage. Interesting stories/examples. One interesting aspect of German history is the role that its cities played in the development of trade, art, and politics. For example, the city of Nuremberg was once the center of the Holy Roman Empire, and its marketplace was a hub for merchants from across Europe. Meanwhile, the city of Leipzig was a center for music and culture, producing some of the world's most famous composers, including Johann Sebastian Bach. Another interesting aspect of German history is the country's experience during the 20th century, which saw it emerge as a major power, suffer the devastation of 2 world wars, and eventually be divided into 2 separate nations before reunification in 1990. The fall of the Berlin Wall, which had divided the city since 1961, is seen as a symbolic moment of this reunification. Top 12 German historic events and figures. 1. The Holy Roman Empire. Established in 800 AD, the Holy Roman Empire was a confederation of territories in Central Europe that lasted until 1806. 2. Martin Luther, the German theologian who sparked the Protestant Reformation in the 16th century. 3. The 30 Years' War, a conflict that devastated Germany between 1618 and 1648, and led to the deaths of millions of people. 4. Frederick the Great, the Prussian king who transformed his kingdom into a major European power in the 18th century. 5. The Napoleonic Wars, a series of conflicts between France and a coalition of European powers, including Germany, that lasted from 1803 to 1815. 6. The unification of Germany, achieved in 1871, when Prussia defeated France in the Franco-Prussian War and established the German Empire. 7. World War I, a global conflict that began in 1914 and lasted until 1918, resulting in the deaths of millions of people. 8. The Weimar Republic, Germany's first democracy, established in 1919 after the end of World War I. 9. Adolf Hitler, the leader of the Nazi Party, who rose to power in 1933, and led Germany into World War II. 10. The Holocaust, the genocide of millions of Jews and other minorities by the Nazi regime during World War II. 11. The Berlin Wall, built in 1961 to divide East and West Germany, and torn down in 1989 after the collapse of the Soviet Union. 12. Reunification, the process by which East and West Germany were reunited in 1990, after 45 years of division. Summarization. In summary, German history is a rich tapestry of events, figures, and movements that have shaped the country and influenced the world. From the Roman Empire to the present day, Germany has played a crucial role in European and global affairs. Some of the key events and figures that have defined German history include the Protestant Reformation, the 30 Years' War, the rise of Prussia, the World Wars, the Holocaust, the fall of the Berlin Wall, and Angela Merkel. By studying German history, we can gain a deeper understanding of the country's culture, politics, and identity, as well as its place in the wider world. Poem. Germany, land of ancient tribes, of Roman conquests and Gothic vibes, 1,000 years of Holy Roman rule, and Martin Luther's Reformation duel. From Bach's cantatas to Beethoven's Fifth, the music of Germany echoes forth, and Goethe's words and Schiller's verse still captivate and inspire us. But Germany's history also bears the scars of war, the pain of tears. From the horrors of the Holocaust to the Berlin Wall that once was crossed. Yet from the darkness of the past, a new Germany has emerged at last. United, strong, and free. A beacon of hope for all to see. Song. Verse 1. From the Roman Empire to the Holy Roman rule. Germany's history is rich and full. With Bach and Beethoven and Schiller's verse. The music and art of Germany forever rehearse. Chorus. Germany, Germany, land of ancient tribes. From the darkness of the past to the light that shines. Through the scars of war and the pain of tears. A new Germany has emerged, strong and clear. Verse 2. The rise of Prussia, the world wars. The Holocaust and its painful scores. From division to reunification. Germany's history is a fascinating creation. Chorus. Germany, Germany, land of ancient tribes. From the darkness of the past to the light that shines. Through the scars of war and the pain of tears. A new Germany has emerged, strong and clear. Verse 3. From the Berlin Wall to Angela Merkel's reign. Germany's history continues to sustain. A legacy of resilience and strength. A people and a nation that have gone to great lengths. Chorus. Germany, Germany, land of ancient tribes. From the darkness of the past to the light that shines. Through the scars of war and the pain of tears. A new Germany has emerged, strong and clear. We hope this video has given you a taste of all the incredible experiences Germany has to offer. If you're ready to start planning your own adventure to Germany, please ensure to use our booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html. AID equals 7989335 to book your flights, hotels, car rentals, local attractions, and more. It's an easy and kind way to support this channel and make sure you get the best possible deals on your trip. Thank you. Anhub Metaverse Team.